Mine is also about the process, pero it's also related to life. Yung parang na-learn ko yung importance of being open and adjustable to any situation changing. So Direct Sigrid is very particular and she knows exactly what she wants, which I appreciate. Siyempre, me as an actor, beforehand, pag binabasa ko, may concept din ako of what I think the scene is gonna be. But when we do it, and whenever she wants another attack, I'm always ready to abandon all of my thoughts and go with hers. And I think it's also the same with life, na I think a person's success will always depend on how adjustable they are. Because you can have a plan, and if it changes, life will not follow your plan. You have to follow life. So you have to be ready to abandon the plan and go with the flow also. Hello? Love is genderless.
Short but impactful. Love that. How about you, Miss April, to round off this question?
Direct yung magpipinali pala ako. Ano nga yung question? Take away. Yeah. Ako siguro yun nga, yung process, siguro parang to summarize everything. Kasi, ewan ko sa dami ng proyektong ginawa ko, sa dami ng negosyong ginagawa namin, napaka meaningful sa akin ng movie project na to. This is our third movie But siguro this movie has taught us also to actually jump out of our comfort zones. Kasi usually pag executive producers, ito lang gawin mo. Pero hindi, napuyat din ako sa kami, ni Direk, nagpapaturo ako sa kanya. Like meron kami yung di ba Direk, nagtatawagan. Ano yung mga 101, may ganun kami na ganito. May lessons ako. Siguro that's one thing that I really love about this project. Na hindi lang ako nag-stick sa kung ano yung alam kong trabaho ko. Actually, nag-explore ako, kaya minahal ko ng sobra tong proyekto na to. So yun. Direk?
Ako as a director and writer, siguro na yung mga press dito, ilang beses tayo nag-meet tuwing gumagawa po ako ng pelikula. Kung mapapansin niyo po, every time na gumagawa ako ng pelikula, very important po kasi sa akin kung anong klaseng pelikula yung gagawin ko, kung anong purpose po ito. And very important po sa akin yung mga makakatrabaho ko. Especially with this kind of movie na meron tayong pinaglalaban, meron tayong statement, na which is of course very obviously love is genderless, love knows no boundaries, pero very important sa akin yung mga katrabaho ko kung ano yung take din nila dito sa pelikula, kung ano yung opinion nila sa ganitong subject matter. Kaya ako pinauna nga sila kasi para sure. Pero very sensitive yung subject matter na to, so it's very important for me as a director na hindi lang po ako lang yung nakikipaglaban dito. Very important sa akin ang producer ko and definitely, of course, my actors na naniniwala din sila sa pinaglalaban ng pelikulang ito. And I'm just so grateful na nung una pa lang namin meet, yun agad kasi yung tinanong ko what's their take in the LGBTQ community? And hindi lang sila kumukuha ng role for what? For clout? For wala lang, magkaroon lang ng ibang klaseng role. Very important yung pagiging sensitive sa subject matter. So I think parang sa akin, yun yung takeaway ko as personally, as a creator of this project na dapat kung ano man yung gagawin ko ng mga ganitong klaseng proyekto ay importante yung magiging mga katrabaho mo. Kaya pag dumating yung panahon na ipalabas ito, lahat kami, buo kami na nakikipaglaban kung ano yung sinasabi ng pelikula. And with regards kung ano man yung takeaway na sana makuha nyo sa pelikula, hindi lang naman to about gender It's really about love, you know. It's really about love. It's really about, minsan kasi pag nagmahal tayo tapos nawasak ka, paano ka ulit babangon para magmahal ulit? You know, when you get hurt, you build walls around you. You become strong. So, lagi tayong careful about love. Yun yung character ni Anne. She got hurt and she built walls around her And lahat, laging nakatiptoe siya. Ayaw niyang masaktan ulit. Ganun tayo pag nasasaktan. Pero here comes another entity, who is, she doesn't care about rules. She doesn't care about getting hurt because it's natural. Lahat tayo masasaktan, hindi perfect ang mundo. Okay? So nandyan siya, reminding us na sometimes, it's just feelings, you know? Kailangan natin pakiramdaman. Hindi tayo kailangan lagi planado. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Rian kanina, may mga bagay kami sa shoot, kumbaga na pinaplano mo, hindi naman nangyari. So dapat ready ka rin doon. Kaya even with the title, you know, lagi tayong babagsak sa buhay natin. We always fall. Hindi natin, lagi tayong matatapilok sa life natin. But it's fine. So it's really, yun talaga yung takeaway ng pelikula. No matter kung saan ka man, figuratively, mabagsak ka, kung saan man bumagsak, madapa ka. Yeah. Ang importante kung paano ka babangon. I thank you. Candidate number 1.
A round of applause for everyone, please. I think it's just so empowering to see how everyone here is, they're not just here to fulfill a job, they're here because they believe in the story, they believe in the film, and they believe in the power of film, in its ability to start important conversations, to open up important conversations. So now since Direk already has the mic, I'll continue on with the question for you again. Given that this is a Sigrid Bernardo project, of course, everyone has the expectation of it being, katulad nga po ng sinabi ni Miss April, meticulous and of high quality. So did you feel any pressure right now to meet those expectations? And how was it working with, of course, Miss Liza, Miss Rian, and with Wide International?
Grabe pang beauty queen talaga. Of course, I do feel the pressure right now. Lahat naman ng pelikula, pressure talaga ako. It's just, siguro, ano lang ako, gusto ko lang gawin din yung job ko as a director. And always, I keep in mind, lagi, tuwing may gagawin ako, bakit ko siya ginagawa? Bakit ko siya ginagawa? Para kanino ko siya ginagawa? So, kapag iniisip ko yun, minsan gusto ko na mag-give up in the middle of the shoot, in the middle of the editing, or whatever. Pero kasi kapag iniisip ko kung para saan ko ginagawa itong pelikulang ito, doon ako bumabangon. So, that's very important to me. And, of course, yung mga katrabaho ko, syempre they're really fun to be with, lalo na pag after nila ng shoot, kapag may alak na. Oh my gosh. Oo, sige. Sige, paka-edit out yun. Sorry. Ibig ko sabihin, parang they're really fun to be with, but ang pinaka gusto ko kasi, like nga sinasabi nyo, meticulous and all, that's very true. Pero ang maganda doon is yung mga kasama ko na naiintindihan ako na I'm very strict during the shoot. When it's work, we work. You know, when it's play, yes, rock and roll. Wow. Ganun lang talaga. So, that's why I'm very thankful with them na, yun nga, they're very disciplined actors. All of them, of course. Siyempre, nako, na-stars na ako. Sorry ha, pero kay Miss Elizabeth Alapesa talaga ako na-starstruck eh. Talaga naman na tinanggap niya yung project na kahit supporting role. And she's a discovery here na komedyante pala siya. Nagulat din naman ako. Pero sobrang, Miss Orona ko, sobrang I'm very honored to work with you. Grabe.
The honor's mine.
And of course with Liza and Rian, ang gusto ko sa kanila, sobra nila akong pinagkatiwalaan sa paggawa ng pelikula, even with those intimate scenes and comedy scenes, drama scenes, lahat pinagkatiwalaan niya ako. And very important po yun sa director because mas papadali po yung trabaho ko kung may tiwala sa akin yung dalawang artista ko. And it's really a collaboration also. You know, when they give opinions, I also ask them if they're comfortable with this and ano. So, yun. Very collaborative kami pagdating sa shoot. And of course, with my producers na talaga namang Totoo po yun, na ang dami nilang ginawa sa pelikulang ito, hindi lang po pera. Sobrang, ang dami rin nilang natutunan sa production. Thank you for your patience talaga, Miss April and Miss Pauline talaga dahil yung patience nyo sa, ang dami nilang involved sila sa production. But more than anything else is for spearheading this project. Kasi bihira din sa producers yung makagawa ng isang GL film. Alam mo, mahirap sumugal pa rin. Alam ko na sa panahon na tayo ng woke, but money matters pa rin. Kaya very important na sana masuportahan niyo yung aming pelikula para marami ring producers ang makapag-produce ng mga GL films or BL films, lesbian, gay, and kahit drama, comedy pa yan. It's very important na magkaroon ng platform ang LGBTQ community. Thank you.
Thank you, Direk. Maraming salamat po. Grabe! I really believe that collaboration, di ba, yields the best result. Kaya napakaganda pakinggan na lahat, hindi lang si Direk, lahat talaga sobrang invested in the film and lahat may natutunan at lahat may naiambag. Now, Miss Liza and Miss Rian, we all know that your fans have been waiting for this for many, many years now, and it's here at last. So what makes you the most proud about working with each other as a couple on screen? And now on the big screen,